Welcome to this virtual open house video of 214 North McCormick in Prescott, Arizona. Just a 7-minute walk to the historic downtown square. The home has 3,512 square feet, with 2,150 square feet of residential space and 1,362 of commercial space. Upstairs, the home features an expansive wraparound outside balcony, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a separate office den area. Downstairs, it features a studio bedroom with its own bath and outside entrance, and a massive multi-purpose open commercial space overlooked by an upstairs gallery off the kitchen. Here we see the wraparound balcony. And the front door. To the left and right, they have expansive decks, plenty of space for entertaining. So let's go in. Here we're moving around to the kitchen. And through this space, we have the overlook into the commercial space below. Here you can see a group that's practicing, seen from the balcony above. Now we're heading back into the kitchen. Off the kitchen is a door to the front balcony. From this space you can see the fireworks on New Year's Eve. And the balcony wraps around to the front entrance in the front. Heading back into the kitchen and through past the entrance over to the living room area. And behind us here is the den. You could use this as an office, hobby space. You close it off, make it a media room. So those are the stairs down, but we're going to go down the hall, take a look at the guest bathroom. That's where we just came from. Across the hall is the guest bedroom. Down the hall is the master bedroom. But we're going to turn here and take a look at the guest bathroom. Here's another shot of that. Looking down the hall toward the master bedroom. And going across the hall, we'll go into the guest bedroom. And then going down the hall to the master bedroom. Here we are. Here we can see into the master bathroom, which is connected to the closet. So here's the bathroom. There's a walk-in shower stall you can see in there, all tiled. The potty area, vanity. And then through this door is the master closet, which includes a washer and dryer. This is a feature that's becoming more and more popular in some of the newer homes. And now going back toward the hallway, we're going to sneak around to the stairs heading down. Now from the stairs you can take a left or a right. We're going to take a left into the studio bedroom, and here it is. That door to the left leads outside, so it has a separate entrance. Sink, refrigerator, cabinets. Wouldn't take much to make this a full studio apartment. There's the bathroom, big closet here, some additional space. That's a utility closet to the right, going into the bathroom. Beautiful tile work here. Now heading back into the studio bedroom, we're going to go across the hall into the big room. And here we have a shot of the entrance into the commercial space. There's a little area here that you can use as a work area. Right now it's like a countertop. This space has been used as an art gallery. Plenty of space. Here you see it set up as a photographer studio with a white reflector above. The ceiling's actually a lot higher than it looks here. And here is the space was being used to shoot a music video with a band, all their instruments, some special lighting. Here's another shot of that. You can see the overlook area behind the white screen in the front there. That's the overlook that's connected to the kitchen. Or you could just play music, or do what happens when you play music. Just have a lot of fun. Again, this is 214 North McCormick. We invite you to contact us for showing today.